Supreme Court has refused to bring political parties under the POSH Act. It says that it would open a Pandora's box. It has also said that political parties are not workplaces under the POSH Act. That means that women inside these parties don't have the same legal protection as they do elsewhere. But this definition seems to be crafted to shield the parties and not protect the people. The Supreme Court judges have said no employer employee relationship exists because membership is voluntary. So, bringing the parties under the POSH Act would open the Pandora's box of blackmail and other issues. They also stress that only the parliament can change the law. Yet, when we look at the POSH Act, it defines workplace quite broadly under Section 2(o). It covers government offices, private companies, NGOs, and any place where work is done. Section 2(f) says employee includes paid or unpaid, regular or temporary, trainee, or even volunteers. That is why interns, domestic workers, and film industry workers are all covered under the POSH Act today. Parties are in clubs. They have presidents, general secretaries, booth managers, campaign staffs, people doing real structured work, sometimes even paid. CPIM is the only national party with a POSH compliant internal complaints committee. Others rely on ad hoc panels, leaving women without any proper recourse. Globally, the Interparliamentary Union has found 82% of women MPs have faced psychological violence, and around 20 to 25% have faced sexual harassment. Among parliamentary staff, the rates are closer to 40%. Reported cases in India are a near zero, not because parties have suddenly become the most safest place to work, but because there are no ICCs. Survivors fear retaliation and complaints are usually buried. Excluding political parties violates Article 14-15 on right to equality and Article 21 on the right to life with dignity and safe conditions. I think it's about the right time that the Parliament should amend the Representation of People's Act to explicitly declare that registered parties are deemed as workplaces and mandate internal complaints committees with external experts in every party. From Canada, the UK, Costa Rica, they all run independent harassment systems for their legislators. The Indian democracy cannot afford to lag behind. We cannot afford to not protect our women legislators and party workers. So we need to start asking our politicians, if you care so much about women's safety, why not guarantee it inside your own parties too?